Good day. Welcome to the Blue Diamond Quarries Limited's second public consultation presentation in accordance with the CAC requirements for the proposed limestone quarry at La Caurita Estate in Maracas, St. Joseph. This presentation is divided into three parts. This is part one, which is a description of the proposed project. So let's begin the process. The applicant is Blue Diamond Quarries Limited. Trinidad Contractors Limited was subcontracted to design and execute works for development of site and access road. Eco Engineering Company Limited was contracted to conduct an impact assessment on the natural environment, while Quarry Consultants Limited was contracted to conduct impact assessment on the human environment and to organize and document the second public consultation. Blue Diamond Quarries Limited began this application process on the 29th of March 2016. The first public consultation was held in September of 2016. The EIA was suspended in December of 2017 and resumed on July 20th with a new team. Let's now take a brief look at the description of the project. This site shows a map of the current existing conditions at the site, as well as proposed plans for the site. The Blue Diamond Quarry Limited site abuts the existing Kusals Quarry and is presently under vegetation and drained by Caurita River. Present access is via Quarita Road. Currently, the site is rugged and mountainous. Topographical elevations are from 550 feet at the road level on the southeastern tip of the property to approximately 1350 feet on the northwestern tip. Blue Diamond Quarries Limited plans to extract the material in phases according to the mine design plan. The objectives of this project are as follows. It will provide good quality aggregate to supply the country, create employment for local communities, and reduce the risk of impact of the foreign exchange crisis currently being experienced by the country, and provide an incentive for the commencement of national infrastructural projects. The proposed site has approximately 3.198 million cubic meters of high-quality limestone. This can be quarried to supply the local construction industry and meet high demands of crushed limestone, which can be used in concrete mixes, particularly premixed concrete, and for construction purposes. Stemming from research and incorporating feedback from residents and stakeholders alike, access arrangements have been engineered by a team of specialists to ensure the roadways to access the site are properly developed and maintained throughout the process. The preferred access is via Caurita Road, to which the following proposed improvements include widening of roadways, implementation of safety structures such as guardrails, laybys, pavements, and enhanced bridge accesses at key areas. To accommodate this improvement, acquisition of one property may be pursued. Site preparation will include clearing of vegetation, road upgrade and construction works on drainage systems, bridges, laybys, and other related infrastructure, installation of utilities, and construction of site offices and other buildings that will be utilized during the mining process. Here is a diagrammatic representation of what the site will look like once developed. This will include a buffer zone around the perimeter of the site. The access road will enter the site on the inside of the buffer zone to minimize impacts to the river and community. The processing area will be located on the southeastern side of the site. A drainage design was engineered to ensure peak flows during operation do not exceed pre-development flows. Silt traps and detention ponds are integrated to minimize or prevent discharge into the river and waterways. These were calculated and developed by an expert engineering team and design team. The operational phase will see mining in a phased process. This includes clearing of vegetation and overburden, extraction and processing, and the transport of material, equipment, and chemicals in and out of the site. Blasting is expected to occur once a month along a 15-meter high plus 15-meter wide workbench during the extraction phase of the process. Drilling and blasting will be conducted during this phase by a certified expert. Explosives will not be stored on site. It will be stored in military under the Ministry of Energy and transported to the site as needed for immediate use only. Here we have a projected project timeline with the different phases of development. We are currently seeking all approvals and necessary licenses during this process. 12 months of fine-tuning and detailed scheduling will occur before hiring can begin and detailed topographical surveys and investigations are done. Access roads and site development works will take another 12 to 15 months before the mining starts.